Hey, good morning everybody. It's Saturday, nice and sunny. Driving around the Jeep. Just drop off my son to basketball for the regionals. And gonna go get a car wash. So I'll take you for a ride. But first, let's accelerate. So get some gas, go get a car wash. This car has not been washed for about a week, so it's quite dirty, but it should be fun. So take you for a ride on I usually just use the touchless car wash because I don't want my car's scratched up by the swirling thingies in those, you know, car washes with swirly thingies. Anyways, the car wash is probably pretty long today. It's such a nice day, but I can wait. I usually just wash in the car wash, and I wax it as you dry using the Griot's Garage wax as you dry, you know, chemical polish. So here we are, coming up on the car wash. So we'll get some gas and we'll be back soon in a bit. Alright guys, so this is what I use. Spray the wheels first. You can see here, this wheels gets pretty dirty with brake dust. I sprayed it already, especially the front. It's pretty filthy with brake dust. So usually I just spray it before I go in the car wash. Depends if it's not that cold, you know. Spray it a little bit. Make sure, you know, loosen the dirt. If that brake dust is, you know, even though you, I've already gone to the car wash, if I don't spray this thing, it still gets pretty filthy. So that's why I usually spray it. Looks like I'm running out of this thing anyway, so I'm gonna need to buy one. So if you're wondering what it is, it's called the there it is. I like this stuff. It smells good. Smells like ammonia. But it works. So we'll keep making video. Got all my cleaning stuff in here. So we'll continue. See you in a bit. Okay, beside a car wash. This car wash actually pretty cool. It's about $13 for this wash, and it has that, you know, hot cleaner right here. Yeah, I love this Jeep's panoramic sunroof. It's kind of cool. So it's coming back. Lights and everything. It does the job, but after the wash, I just get home and wipe it off and use the wax as you dry, because, you know, obviously this does not get all the grime out, so you still need to do that. It's a little work, but you know, I enjoy doing it. All right, after the wash, went home. This is usually how I do it. There's the see that spray on wax by Griot's Garage, and I usually leave it a little wet. As you can see here, still a little damp. I use a 2-towel technique, one to wipe off the wax and another one to buff and dry. So let's see. You gotta be pretty fast with this, because then, you know, you don't want all this droplets to dry out. Although they do have a spotless rinse in there, but you know, that's how I do it. Wax it off, clean it off, then use the next towel to clean it out. So see that while it's still a bit damp, use the other towel, kind of buff it off. That's kind of what I do. It's been quite effective in maintaining vehicles. I'm probably gonna get this Jeep ceramic coated in the summertime just to protect it more, because the winter here is pretty harsh. Really, the salt on the road and all the grime, you know. So I'll keep doing this. Camera's pretty shaky. Let's see. As you saw what I do. I'll have video the finished product. All right, that's the finished product. So finish applying the Real's Garage wax as you dry. Just a quick touch up. I waxed this car with Meguiar's liquid wax, you know, before the winter really got worse. But it looks pretty shiny. And then I applied some what do they call this? The Rain-X windshield cleaner for the windshield. And then you know, it looks pretty shiny. The wheels, I'm gonna clean that some more later with the Meguiar's quick detailer, because it's not totally clean yet, as you can see. Still got some brake dust there, stuff too. But the car's pretty clean. Clean the door seals also. Just a quick touch up. So car looks really shiny right there. I'm glad it's clean. After my son's game, I'm gonna come back and finish the wheels and what else I can detail with this car. So if you like this video, please you know, click the thumbs up button. I mean, share it if you can. That'd be great. I really would appreciate that. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so YouTube doesn't block me. But if you like this video, if you have any questions about what I do in cleaning this car or my other Scat Pack over there, the blue one, it's pretty clean. That has been ceramic coated, so that's protected. This one has not been. So let me know. Click the subscribe button and comment if you like, or if you don't like, doesn't matter to me. I like the conversation, keep the conversation going. Looks pretty clean, and we'll see you soon.